Over 60, waking up with a dry mouth every morning, your body is warning you about this. The experience of waking up with a mouth that feels like sandpaper, lips cracked and parched, and a tongue seemingly glued to the roof of your mouth is a reality for many individuals, particularly those over the age of 60. This daily discomfort often prompts a reach for the nearest glass of water, becoming a routine occurrence that some might dismiss as simply a consequence of aging. Perhaps this symptom has been mentioned to a doctor who shrugged it off, attributing it to the passage of time, or perhaps it has been passively accepted as an inevitable part of growing older. However, what is often overlooked is the crucial fact that waking up with a dry mouth every single day is not a normal part of the aging process. Instead, it serves as a distinct and important signal from your body, indicating that something significant is happening during those 8 hours of sleep. For adults over 60, this signal is overwhelmingly pointing towards one of 5 specific causes, and importantly, at least one of these potential issues could be subtly impacting your overall health right now without your full awareness. Dr. Sarah Mitchell, the host of this channel dedicated to presenting the latest evidence-based research on senior health in a practical and accessible manner, emphasizes that this common complaint is far more than a minor inconvenience. She encourages viewers to subscribe to ensure they don't miss future insights. Saliva, a substance we largely take for granted until its absence becomes noticeable, plays a vital role in oral health and overall bodily function. Your body diligently produces between 1 and 1.5 liters of saliva daily. This essential fluid acts as a protector for your teeth by neutralizing acids, facilitates the process of swallowing, combats harmful bacteria within the mouth, and even contributes to the initial stages of digestion. When the production of saliva drops significantly during sleep, this is not a trivial matter, but a serious red flag. Scientific evidence strongly supports this. A 2022 study published in the journal Gerodontology revealed that chronic dry mouth affects a substantial proportion of adults over 70, impacting up to 46% of this demographic and solidifying its position as one of the most prevalent oral health concerns among seniors. Crucially, this research also confirmed that in the overwhelming majority of these instances, xerostomia, the medical term for dry mouth, was not an isolated issue, but rather a symptom of an underlying condition. Understanding these underlying conditions is paramount, as identifying the specific cause applicable to you could fundamentally alter your health trajectory. The foremost cause of morning dry mouth in seniors is remarkably often medication. This often comes as a surprise to many, given that over 400 prescription and over-the-counter medications list dry mouth as a known side effect. This figure encompasses a vast array of drugs used by millions of seniors daily, including antihistamines for allergies, diuretics prescribed for high blood pressure, antidepressants, medications for bladder control, certain heart medications, and even common sleep aids. A comprehensive review in the Journal of the American Geriatric Society in 2020 indicated that seniors taking 3 or more medications concurrently exhibited a 63% increased likelihood of experiencing chronic dry mouth compared to their counterparts on fewer prescriptions. Considering that the average American over 65 takes between 4 and 5 prescription medications daily, in addition to several supplements, the cumulative effect on saliva production is substantial. If your dry mouth began to manifest around the same time you started a new prescription, the connection is highly probable and not merely a coincidence. Viewers are prompted to share their current medication regimens in the comments, fostering a collective understanding of the widespread nature of this issue. Moving to a more serious concern, the second significant contributor to morning dry mouth affects an estimated 39 million Americans, with research consistently demonstrating that a majority remain unaware of their condition. This underlying issue is obstructive sleep apnea. When sleep apnea occurs, the airway experiences partial or complete collapse during sleep, compelling the individual to breathe through their mouth rather than their nose. Nasal breathing naturally preserves moisture within the mouth and throat. Conversely, mouth breathing leads to rapid evaporation of saliva, directly causing the intense and uncomfortable dryness experienced upon waking. However, the implications of sleep apnea extend far beyond mere dryness. Untreated sleep apnea in adults over 60 has been linked to a 60% increased risk of stroke and a 40% higher risk of significant heart disease, as highlighted by research in the Journal of Clinical Sleep Medicine. Symptoms such as loud snoring, observed pauses in breathing during sleep, or persistent exhaustion despite adequate sleep duration might indicate that dry mouth is the least of your worries. The case of Margaret, a 68-year-old retired teacher who suffered from severe dry mouth for nearly 3 years, illustrates this point. Her dentist had noted increasing tooth decay, a consequence of reduced saliva, which her husband had also observed in conjunction with brief breathing stoppages during her sleep. Upon diagnosis of moderate obstructive sleep apnea and initiation of CPAP therapy with a humidifier, her dry mouth resolved almost entirely within 6 weeks, and her blood pressure, which had been gradually increasing, also showed noticeable improvement. The third identified cause of morning dry mouth is diabetes, encompassing both diagnosed and undiagnosed cases. Elevated blood sugar levels prompt the kidneys to extract fluid from tissues throughout the body in an effort to dilute and eliminate excess glucose. This process results in systemic dehydration, which directly impairs saliva production. A 2021 study from the National Institutes of Health revealed that a staggering 83% of individuals with poorly controlled type 2 diabetes reported frequent dry mouth as a persistent symptom. The statistic that should particularly concern seniors is that approximately 1 in 3 adults with diabetes in the United States remains undiagnosed, unaware they have the condition. If you experience additional symptoms such as frequent urination, unusual fatigue, blurred vision, or slow healing of cuts alongside your morning dry mouth, it is imperative to prioritize a fasting blood sugar test. Chronic dehydration emerges as the fourth prevalent cause, operating differently in seniors compared to younger adults. As individuals age, the sensation of thirst becomes significantly dulled. Consequently, the body can be operating with a substantial fluid deficit without triggering the usual warning signals. Research published in the European Journal of Nutrition corroborates that adults over 65 are chronically underhydrated relative to younger adults, often without experiencing any sensation of thirst. Your morning dry mouth may simply be the most visible indicator that your body has been running on insufficient water throughout the day. Finally, Sjogren's syndrome, an autoimmune condition, directly attacks the glands responsible for producing both saliva and tears. This condition disproportionately affects women, with 9 out of 10 diagnoses occurring in women, and the average age of diagnosis falling in the late 50s and early 60s. Its symptoms, primarily dry mouth and dry eyes, are frequently misattributed to normal aging, leading to underdiagnosis. If your dry mouth is accompanied by persistent, dry, gritty eyes, unexplained joint pain, or a level of fatigue that seems disproportionate to your activity level, Sjogren's syndrome warrants discussion with your doctor. To effectively address morning dry mouth, a systematic approach is recommended. The first step involves a medication audit. Meticulously list all prescription medications, over-the-counter drugs, and supplements you are currently taking. Present this comprehensive list to your doctor or pharmacist and specifically inquire about the potential contribution of any of these substances, individually or in combination, to your dry mouth. Inquire about possibilities for dosage adjustments, alternative medications, or altered timing of intake to mitigate the overnight effect. This simple conversation has proven instrumental in resolving morning dry mouth for numerous patients without necessitating changes to their overall treatment plans. The second crucial step is a sleep quality assessment. For 7 consecutive mornings, maintain a small notepad by your bedside. Upon waking, note whether your mouth was open or closed, your perceived level of restfulness versus exhaustion, and if possible, ask a bed partner to monitor for snoring or pauses in breathing during the night. If a pattern emerges, consult your primary care physician for a referral to a sleep study. Many insurance plans fully cover sleep studies for patients over 60, and these tests are now conveniently conducted in the comfort of one's home. The third actionable step involves a blood sugar check. If you have not undergone a fasting glucose or HbA1c test within the past year, schedule one promptly. The HbA1c test provides a 3-month average of your blood sugar levels and can detect developing issues that your dry mouth may have been silently signaling for months, requiring less than 5 minutes to complete. Fourthly, implement deliberate hydration strategies. Aim to consume approximately 16 ounces of water spread across the 2 hours before bedtime, avoiding excessive intake all at once. Concurrently, increase your total daily water intake to a minimum of 64 ounces distributed throughout the day. Utilize phone alarms as reminders, as relying solely on thirst is no longer a reliable indicator of hydration status in older adults. For immediate overnight relief while you investigate the root cause, consider using a mouth rinse or oral gel containing xylitol. Products such as Biotene Dry Mouth Oral Rinse or ACT Dry Mouth Rinse, readily available at pharmacies, can be used just before bed. Xylitol also offers mild antibacterial protection for your teeth during sleep. It is crucial to avoid any mouthwash that contains alcohol, as it significantly exacerbates dryness. A vital safety consideration: if you are on blood thinners, ACE inhibitors, or lithium, consult your doctor before making significant changes to your hydration habits, as fluid intake shifts can impact medication efficacy. Furthermore, if your dry mouth is accompanied by pain, difficulty swallowing, the presence of white patches within your mouth, or unexplained weight loss, seek immediate medical attention rather than waiting for a routine appointment. In conclusion, while morning dry mouth is common among seniors, it is essential to distinguish between commonality and normality. In most cases, this symptom is a direct indicator of a specific and identifiable issue, be it related to medications, sleep apnea, blood sugar levels, dehydration, or an autoimmune condition. All 5 of these potential causes are manageable. You are now equipped with the knowledge to investigate and to ask the right questions. To help our community understand the prevalence of these issues, please comment with one of the following: medication, if you suspect your prescriptions are involved; sleep, if you believe breathing or sleep apnea could be the culprit; or testing, if your next step is to schedule a blood sugar test. Your feedback is invaluable in shaping future content. If this video has provided clarity on an issue your doctor may not have fully explained, please subscribe to avoid missing next week's video, which will delve into the concerning warning signs that a common cholesterol medication may be causing more harm than good in certain seniors over 60, a topic that warrants a thorough and honest discussion. Dr. Sarah Mitchell here. Please take good care of yourself. You now possess the information to do so effectively.